Test Series 12. First question is, who wrote a book describing the theory of economic drain of India during British rule? Option A, Dadabhai Naoroji, B, Lala Lajpat Rai, C, Mahatma Gandhi, D, Jawaharlal Nehru. So option A is the correct answer. So Dadabhai wrote a book describing the theory of economic drain of India during British rule. Option A is the correct answer. Second question, how would you describe the Indian constitution? Option A, medium in size, B, very small and compact, C, one of the most elaborate constitutions in the world, D, it is not a written constitution. So option C is a correct answer. It is one of the most elaborate constitutions in the world. Third question, who is competent to amend the fundamental rights? Option A, President, B, Lok Sabha, C, Supreme Court, and D, Parliament. So the correct answer is option D, Parliament. Parliament is competent to amend the fundamental rights. Fourth question, among the following Indian states, which one has the minimum total forest cover? Option A, Sikkim, B, Goa, C, Haryana, D, Kerala. So here, actually the first largest is Madhya Pradesh, second is Arunachal Pradesh, third is Chhattisgarh, fourth is Odisha, fifth is Maharashtra, sixth is Karnataka, seventh is Andhra Pradesh, eighth is Assam, ninth is Tamil Nadu, and 10th is Uttarakhand. Okay, these are the ranking systems based on the forest cover. So here, as per 2017 statistics, Haryana is one of the state which is under minimum total forest cover. Okay, so option C is a correct answer. Fifth question, the Great Asian River Mekong does not run through. Option A, China, B, Malaysia, C, Cambodia, D, Laos. So option B is a correct answer. It doesn't run through Malaysia. It runs through China, Laos, Cambodia, and Vietnam. Option B is a correct answer. Sixth question, in the Lok Sabha, the number of seats are option A, 545, B, 542, C, 549, and D, 544. So the correct answer is option A, 544. Okay, how many members are nominated in the Lok Sabha? It is 2 members. They are nominated by President. Okay, and how many members of Rajya Sabha are nominated by President? It is 12 members. So 7th question is, who is benefited from inflation? Option A, creditor, B, debitor, C, banks, and D, citizens. So option B is a correct answer. Debtor, okay, here it is an organization which owes some money. Okay, a person who owes some money or anything you can mean it. So inflation here means the rate of increase in prices over a given period of time. So the 8th question is, who is the writer of the book Conquest of Self? Option A, Mahatma Gandhi, B, Jawaharlal Nehru, C, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, D, J.C. Bose. So here the correct answer is Mahatma Gandhi. He also wrote My Experiments with Truth, Indian Home Rule, and many more. So option A is the correct answer. He is the author, he is the writer of the book Conquest of Self. 9th question, who among the following controls or supervises the Consolidated Fund of India? Option A, Indian Finance Minister, B, CAG of India, that is Comptroller and Auditor General of India, C, Parliament, and D, none. So here option B, Comptroller and Auditor General of India will control or supervise the Consolidated Fund of India. Now what is this Consolidated Fund of India? It is the money of the government is stored in this fund. Okay. So the 10th question is, who has defined the office of profit? Option A, Parliament, B, Supreme Court, C, Council of Ministers, and D, Constitution. So option D, Constitution defines office of profit. D is the correct answer. 11th question, which of the following is not constitutional arrangement? Option A, Finance Commission, B, Planning Commission, C, Election Commission, D, UPSC. So here the Planning Commission is not a constitutional arrangement. Option B is a correct answer. 12th question, partition of Bengal was done during the period of option A, Lord Curzon, B. Lord Clive, C. Lord Cornwallis, D. Lord Dalhousie. So here the correct answer is option A, Lord Curzon. Okay, so the partition of Bengal occurred during the year 1905. 13th question, which one of the following are correct? Option A, Gindi National Park is known for tiger reserve. B. Namdapha National Park is meant for lion conservation. C. Jaldapara is a biosphere reserve. And D. Rann of Kutch is a wildlife sanctuary. So the correct answer is option D. Rann of Kutch is a wildlife sanctuary and is located in the Little Rann of Kutch in Gujarat. It is actually the largest wildlife sanctuary in India. Wildlife sanctuaries actually were established in the year 1972 and came under Wildlife Protection Act of 1972. Okay, so overall for 13th question, option D is the correct answer. 14th question, which one of the following statements concerning the natural vegetation of India is not correct? Option A, sal is found in moist deciduous forest. B, casuarina is largely found along the coastal region of Tamil Nadu. Option C, deodar is a coniferous species of tree. D, shola forests are found mainly on the upper reaches of Himalayas. So here the correct answer is option D, shola forests are found mainly on the upper regions of Himalayas. Okay, here the shola means groove in Tamil. Okay, actually these shola forests are actually the groove. Okay, these are the patches of stunted tropical montane forest. So these are found in the valleys amid rolling grasslands in the higher mountain regions of South India. So 15th question, which among the following acts were repealed by Article 395 of the Constitution of India? 1. The Government of India Act 1935. 2. Indian Independence Act 1937. 3. Abolition of Privy Council Jurisdiction Act 1949. 4. Government of India Act 1919. So option A 1 and 2, B 1 and 3, C 1, 2 and 3 and D 1, 2, 3, 4. So here the correct answer is option 1 and 2. So Government of India Act 1935 and Indian Independence Act 1937 were repealed by the Article 395 of the Constitution. So option A 1 and 2 are the correct answers. Now coming to the 16th question, on 26 November 1949, which of the following provisions of the Constitution of India came into effect? 1. Citizenship. 2. Elections. 3. Provisional Parliament. 4. Fundamental rights. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A 2, 3 and 4, B 1, 2 and 3, C 1 and 3 and D 1 and 2. So here the correct answer is option C 1 and 3. Citizenship and Provisional Parliament are the provisions which came into effect on November 26, 1949. So the 17th question is, which of the following statements regarding the Constituent Assembly is or are correct? 1. The Assembly was elected indirectly by the members of provincial legislative assemblies. 2. The elections were held on the basis of universal adult franchise. 3. The scheme of elections was laid down by cabinet delegation. 4. The distribution of seats was done on the basis of Mountbatten Plan. So select the correct answers using the code. Option A 1, B 1, 2 and 3, C 2 and 4 and D 1 and 4. So here the correct answer is option B 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So the 18th question is, which of the following statements is not correct? Option A, BrahMos is a supersonic cruise missile made by India and Russian Federation. B, the name of BrahMos came from two rivers, Brahmaputra of India and Moskva in Russia. C, Indian military scientists were capable of integrating BrahMos cruise missile with Sukhoi 30 Mk1 fighter. Option D, Defense Research and Development Organization is a manufacturer of Sukhoi 30 Mk1 fighter. So here the correct answer is option D. 19th question, which one of the following sources tells us about women protesting against the infidelity of their husbands or the neglect of wife and children by the male head of household? Option A, the Kitabul Hind. B. Documents belonging to the village panchayat of Rajasthan, Gujarat and Maharashtra. C. Sculptures from Mandor. D. Aini Akbari of Abul Fazl. So the correct answer for this is option C. Sculptures from Mandor. Okay, from these sculptures of Mandor, it is found that women would protest against this infidelity of their husbands or can neglect and or the neglect of wife and children by the male head of households. All this is described in the scriptures from Mandor. 28th question, from what form of Shiva is most prominent in Brihadishwara temple built by Chola dynasty? Option A Harihara, B Bhairava, C Rudra and D Tripurantaka. So option C is a correct answer. 21st question, the basic structure doctrine which regard to the Constitution of India relates to 1. The power of judicial review, 2. The judgment in Keshavananda Bharati case, 3. The constraints on Article 368 of the Constitution of India, 4. The judgments in Golaknath case. So option A 1, 2 and 3, B 1, 2, 3 and 4, C 1 and 3 and D 2 and 4. So here the correct answer is option C 1 and 3 statements are correct. 22nd question, which one of the following was the earliest name of Tokyo? Option A Osaka, B Kyoto, C Samurai and D Edo. So option D is the correct answer. The old name of Tokyo was Edo. 23rd question, the epic Silapatikaram refers to option A story of Rama, B Jaina elements in storyline, C culture of Sri Lankan Buddhist and D cult of Shakti worship. So option B is the correct answer. 24th question, Rakshasa type of marriage is option A marriage by purchase, B marriage by capture, C marriage by giving dowry and D marriage by seduction. So option B, that is marriage by capture, is called Rakshasa type of marriage. So option B is the correct answer. 25th question, which of the following with regard to the term bank run is correct? Option A, the net balance of money a bank has in its chest at the end of the day's business. B, the ratio of bank's total deposits and total liabilities. C, the panic situation when the deposit holders start withdrawing cash from the banks. D, the period in which the bank create highest credit in the market. So here the correct answer is option C.